try and change our Messenger's app's language. So this will be more like a discussion type where we'll try to find out if it's possible to change our Messenger's language. So firstly, we'll just check if there is any settings to change our language directly from the Messenger app. So let's just dive into it. Let us open our Messenger app first, and then just click on our horizontal 3 lines on the top left, and then click on the gear icon, that is the settings. Now I'm on my settings, and here we should be able to find an option that will help us change the language. So let's try and explore. So I don't really see any option. Let's just check on accessibility. No. On privacy and settings, there are no option to change language here. So let's just go back. If I scroll down a bit more, I don't really see any options again. So I don't think it's possible to change our language directly from the Messenger app. So before moving on to the next technique or next way to try to find the way to change our Messenger's language, first, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button if you're new, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's move back to the video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the language of our device whole. So to do that, let's go to our settings, and after going to settings, just go to the general and scroll down till you find the language and region option. Click on it, and there you will be able to change your language. I'll be changing it to Hindi, and hopefully the Messenger app's language will also get changed. So now let's just do it. Now as you can see, I've changed the entire language of my device. So let's go and open our Messenger app. Now as you can see, I don't see any changes in our Messenger app. That is, there is no change in language in our Messenger app. It's all in English altogether. So there is no way to change language in Messenger unless there is an update or something like that. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.